Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to... That's heavy. This video... My brain was saying lift it, my hand was saying that's not happening. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam. This is their part number 30-15-001, Swingmaster Dual Control. And this video is to just basically serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, more so visual evidence. You can see your potentiometers along the bottom, your pin connectors, your fuses. Okay. Weighs 9.9 pounds, your transformer obviously. Okay. Dual control. Overall width of the chassis, about 10 3/8. Overall height, about 4 3/8. Overall width, about 5 3/8, I would say. Okay, so this video is just to simply serve as some visual evidence of what that dual control looks like. There is a link down below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Besam 30-15-011 Swingmaster Dual Control, and this is rebuilt, by the way, or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.